What it do, YouTube? We back. We're back. What is that? Cadillac. I don't know if they want that smoke, man. A little dented up too. So, yeah, man. Just, got sometimes, you feel me, get off that line, hit the dash. It's that instant torque in this thing, man. Hey, that Cadillac ain't have a chance with me. And I ain't even put down the throttle or put in sport mode. But, hey, it is what it is, ain't it? Y'all just wait y'all turn before you get over, man. Hey, man, we just riding around, man. Just to fill up the new car. They really need to fix these roads, man. I ain't gonna lie, this car is quiet. Hey, now, don't do too much around these roads now. Yeah, we living prestigious. Now, let me stop acting funny. Might pull up and tell your guy to get in the car and tell her ride with a real boss. No, I'm just playing, man. I ain't gonna. Hey, I'm not changing. But I really just looked at the rims. Oh my God. That boy done went AMG on them. Oh my. I ain't gonna lie, the AMG package is nice. Just riding to the store real quick. Just a quick little, you feel me? I don't never know if that hibachi place is packed or not. That used to be the old Shoney's. That ain't nothing but the old foundation to it. I got stuff flying around. I gotta have this car update. I just finally got it connected to my app. I gotta download. There go my water bottle. I knew I brought it out. I've been sitting in the car this whole time. point if anybody else gonna buy that bowling alley. It ain't been open in decades. Bro, I say it closed when I was in high school. A little too far with decades, maybe close to 15. Part of 2 decades though. There go a Tesla. Is that a Corvette? That's a Corvette up there. I don't know, I better get up there. There's so many cars over on that right side. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but you can kind of see it. Hey, that blue kind of show in the morning time. It don't show up right here though that much. Maybe because of the tents in the car. Not letting out the extra sunlight in. Hey, we're gonna do a live stream in this car one day soon. One day soon. No way I'm catching up to that C8. Man, they just put a Whataburger out east. I was so surprised they didn't have a long line. The one time I drove by it. There go the Corvette. Corvette. Is that a C7? I believe. Tell that C7 to catch up. Yeah, it might be clickbait, but hey, it is what it is, man. Why y'all braking if it's a green light? Oh, they about to build an In-N-Out burger right down the street from Whataburger. Right next to Chick-fil-A. And so, man, I've been in Nashville my whole life, and some of these places been around since I was a kid, and I never went in there, like Cycle Gear. Is it really selling like that in there? Let me know. Y'all really buying cycling gear like that? I don't think I ever been to that Goodwill. That Electronics Express, maybe one time, but it's still pushing on. Twin Peaks. I've been there a couple of times. All right, we finally made it to our destination. Hey, I appreciate y'all riding with me. Y'all are something special, man. Hey, y'all do me a favor. Go and like the video, subscribe, and watch another video. And I'm gonna catch up with y'all next time. Godspeed.